the sweet sounds, my bedtime lullaby. This is what it sounds like in Fair Oaks. Frogs. They're Pacific Chorus frogs. I've hiccuped. There's spadefoot toads. Ducks, chickens, dogs, and my hiccup.